Hey, welcome back to the config bench. This is John. In the last video, we took a single 47 ohm resistor, applied 9 volts or 9 volt battery to it, and used Ohm's law to calculate the current before we even touched a meter. The math was right. Today, lab 2, two resistors in series end to end. When you put resistors in series, the resistance adds 94 ohms total. Same 9 volt battery. We're going to calculate the current, then figure out how that voltage splits across each resistor. Then we'll put the meters on it and check our work. So let's do it. So the next circuit is this one here where we had two resistors in series. They're both 47 ohm resistors. We changed the voltage for the source up to 9 volts, and again, it's and then we had a meter reading of the voltages in between. So we're going to explore this and how we would calculate current using Ohm's law. So once again, if we were to write out the formula, it is V equals I times R. And in this case, I'm going to put a little t here for R total because we got two resistors now, and we have to understand how to calculate what the total resistance will be for this circuit. And so R total, when you have a series circuit, you calculate the total resistance, so RT equals R1 plus R2 plus R3 if there were one, and so on. Okay, so in this case here, R1 equals 47 ohms, and ohms is symbolized by that. That is an ohm signal or symbol. And then R2 equals 47 ohms. And if we just do the math, 14, 8, 9, so total of 94 ohms. So now we have our, our total resistance. And so in this case, V equals 9 volts, and that's DC. I is unknown, and RT in this case equals 94 ohms. So we can write our formula back to the V divided by R, in this case T, equals I. In this case it's 9 divided by 94 equals I. And we are going to do that on our little handy dandy calculator. And so I'm going to clear that. So 9 divided by 94 equals, that would be 0.0957 amps, or 95.7 milliamps. So, and so that concludes our explanation of Lab 2. So two resistors in series, resistance doubles, current dropped by half, voltage splits right down the middle. Ohm's law called every number before we touch the wire. The next video we go into parallel circuits. It's 4 resistors, 2 in series, 2 in parallel. The current splits, the math gets a little more interesting, and you're going to see why parallel circuits behave the exact opposite of series circuits. That's video 7. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you at the bench.